Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: hardware, connection, and account. Connect your Xbox or PC to the internet. Use Ethernet for reliability. Next, sign in with a Microsoft account or create one if needed. Verify your email so Xbox Live recognizes you. Once done, add a subscription like Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate if you want multiplayer and perks. Make sure payment info is current. These steps let Xbox identify you and unlock online services quickly. Now sign into Xbox Live. On console, press the guide and choose your profile. On PC, launch the Xbox app and enter your Microsoft credentials. Once signed in, configure privacy and online safety so you permit multiplayer and voice chat. This prevents access issues later. Add two-step verification for security and redeem any subscription codes or confirm payment info so services remain active. Make sure your profile is visible to friends if you plan to join games and parties quickly. Finish by launching a multiplayer game or party to confirm Xbox Live access. Check your NAT type in Settings. Right arrow network. Open NAT or moderate is best for joining others. If you see strict NAT, enable UPnP on your router or forward port 3074 UDP/TCP to your console. This resolves most connectivity blocks. Restart your router and Xbox after changes and run the network test. If problems persist, contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.